Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to reset and customize the control center in this device. First of all, open the control center. Now if you want to customize this control center, then tap and hold the blank area of the control center. Now here you can see, now we can easily customize this one. So from here we can easily remove any controls from this control center, and you can easily remove the unwanted controls from here. So simply here I am going to remove some controls. Okay, yeah. Now if you want to add more controls, then here you can see the option add a control, right? Tap on this one and you will get lots of controls from here. You can see some collections. You can see capture, clock, connectivity, display and brightness, like that. So if you want to add the Wi-Fi, then tap on this one. Now you can see the Wi-Fi is here. Then again, if you want flashlight, you can see, and also you can rearrange this one. So if you want to move the flashlight from here to there, you can see, you can easily move this one, and also you can easily resize this one also. Let me show you. You can see. Okay, so simply in this way you can easily customize the control center in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.